to the CNC plotter's second video. So if you know that we are making 4 videos on the building of the CNC plotter, so the first video it's already on the YouTube. So it's about the basic structure of the CNC machine on the CNC plotter that we are making in specific. So the second video is this one that is about information. Now you see, if you have worked with CNC machines, or if you have built CNC machines, you might be knowing what is the important requirement of a CNC machine, or what are the important points that you need to go through, or you need to concentrate on while you are working with a CNC machine, or while you are building or constructing one yourself. So but that's if you or have already worked with. Now if you are making a CNC machine, or if you're hearing about CNC machines for the first time, then you actually don't know what are the basic requirements. You actually don't know what is basically or most needed to be observed while making or working with a CNC machine. So that's our goal in this video. As much as I can, we'll be going through the information about the CNC plotter that we have built, all the information that you know about the components, the basic structure, the electronic components, software, all that information, where you can get, how you can get, or the information itself will be given to you in this video. So that's the second video, that's this video. Now the third video is about the electronic components in specific, the electronic components that we have used in the CNC plotter, or the electronic components that you or can be used in or while building a CNC plotter. So in that video we'll be going through the components, and we'll also be going through how to connect the specific components that we have used here. Now the fourth video, by the end of the fourth video, we'll be able to write a G code and send it or execute it to the CNC plotter, and we'll be able to make a drawing. So the fourth video is basically about the softwares, or how to use those softwares, those specific softwares that we are using for the CNC machine, this CNC machine. So those softwares is what we'll be going through. Now if you are if you need to know more about softwares or the C++ codings, now I have another channel that is coming up. It's not yet come up, but it'll be coming up next month or somewhere soon. So in that channel we'll all be specifically or in detail speaking about only the softwares, or the programming, the program writing, the languages, programming languages, all those software things will be going through on that channel. Not just C++, not just G code. We'll also be learning how to make our own APKs, our own applications, and use them consistently. So that's the channel that's coming up. It's not yet up, but I'm looking forward to it. So I'll be sending a notification as soon as I have that video channel come up. So do go through that. Now there are different electronic components we have used here. So while you're using those components, what I saw in most of the videos was they were just connecting the components in there. There were some who were not detailedly showing what they were connecting, they were just connecting it up. Some were detailedly showing what they were connecting. So I'll be trying to connect them in detail with you. Instead, I have another video or even more videos coming on each of those components. The stepper motors that we have used, the CNC V3 shield that we have used, or the Arduino that we have used, the servo motor that we have used, or all those components, the driver modules, all those components, one video on each of those components. They're gonna come up. I'm gonna make those videos so that you don't just use them, or you don't just know why you're using them, but you know what more can you do with that, what more innovations you can do with that. So we'll be looking forward to make those videos as well with these. So in this video just let's go through some of the basic information that you need about that. That's what I wanted to actually tell you guys, that those videos that are coming up are really important. So you might not be just building or watching this, building a CNC machine or watching this video because you are just going through it, but you might be actually interested in CNC machines. You might be actually interested in building one yourself. So when you're interested in building your one yourself, you must be innovative. So do go through those videos, do know what you need and what you can do with those components, and so you can make a better CNC machine. Alright, so now let's just go through some of the basic things, like, now you see this stepper right here that I have used. It has 4 wires. Alright, you can see 4 wires coming out of there, and those 4 wires are connected to these, and those go in there. Now you see right there, there is place for just 4 wires to be connected. Now you might have noticed that all steppers don't have just 4 wires. They have, some of them have 6 wires, some of them have 8 wires. So when you get a stepper of that sort, you just keep like staring at the stepper and you don't know how to connect them. So that's the specific videos that I'm making on. So there is a video on steppers, how to connect steppers. There is a video on how to connect this V3 shield. You see right here, this shield, it's called as the V3 CNC V3 shield. You see it's written right here, CNC shield. So what are the specific components used in this V3 shield? What are the specific things that it can do? What are we using it for? And so on. And underneath the V3 shield right here, you can see Arduino Uno. Alright, you can see an Arduino Uno right there connected. So what are the specific things, or what it can do? What can the Arduino Uno do? Why have we connected? Why is it important? So there are specific videos like that on every single thing that we have used in here, because it's important, as I said, to know what you're using. So that's the thing. So that's what I wanted to tell you about, and if you have more questions, do put them in down in the comments and I will try to answer them, or I will answer them through videos itself. Alright, so if you have any other questions, any questions at all, do ask them, and if I can connect to you personally, I will connect. I will try my best to, or I will make a specific video or a special video on those specific things itself. Do ask questions, guys. That's the way you're gonna learn. So if you have any questions, any at all, do put them down there and I will try to answer them, as I said, directly or in a specific video itself. So that's the end of the second video, guys. So looking forward to the next video, that's the electronic components. Do stay connected and we'll talk about the electronic components.